In this video, I'm going to tell you why DDR Prime is an essential oil blend that we make sure to take every day. We means Tom and I and our dog Larry. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. And I'm known as the anti-aging oil queen because after being failed by the medical profession, I had to take my health into my own hands. And now at 69, I feel and look better than I have in decades. My goal is that everybody should experience their body and feel good, maybe for the first time. I've opened my calendar and I'm taking discovery calls because I genuinely care about your success and want to find the right solution for you.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
So let's dive in. DDR Prime is definitely a daily must-have. DDR Prime is repairing, regenerating, transforming. DDR Prime, the cellular complex blend, helps to protect the body against oxidative stress. This blend of essential oils works to support healthy cellular integrity. You know what I mean. What oils are in DDR Prime? Clove, thyme, linseed, and wild orange. Essential oils are prominent ingredients of DDR Prime, providing powerful antioxidants and protecting against oxidative stress. Frankincense, lemongrass, summer savory, and naoli, which help support a healthy immune response. You can use DDR Prime topically, internally, and aromatically. We use it internally every day. I take 3 drops in my morning oil shot. Tom takes the soft gels, which is 3 drops of oil blend in a convenient soft gel. And Larry takes it once a day, along with other oils in his oil dropper combo. 2 popular ways to use DDR Prime are combined with a carrier oil and massage into the skin, or soothe both body and mind by taking a drop internally. Here's the scoop. Primary benefits of DDR Prime: supports healthy cellular integrity, protects body and cells from oxidative stress, promotes overall cellular health, aids in healthy immune response. Studies have shown frankincense may promote healthy cellular function and response to free radicals when taken internally. Wild orange possesses stimulating and purifying qualities, making it ideal for supporting cellular health when taken internally. Linseed has a sweet, long-lasting fragrance with hints of spice and notes of citrus. Linseed may promote overall cellular health and function when ingested, according to experimental research. Thyme may benefit the immune system when used internally, at least in part because of its thymol and carvacrol, I hope I pronounced that right, according to experimental research. Clove is one of the most powerful antioxidants, and we love the benefits when taken internally. Summer savory may contain antioxidant properties because of its carvacrol, there it is again, content when taken internally. Naoli is naturally stimulating thanks to its eucalyptol content and monoterpene composition. Lemongrass promotes healthy digestion, serving as an overall tonic to the body systems when ingested. DDR Prime Daily is a simple way to fight bad stuff and keep our force fields strong. Take good care.